Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 and let me show you how to change video quality on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app and here let's tap on the settings. Now let's scroll down and as you can see here we've got the video section. We can choose the video size for the main camera and front camera. Let me pick for example main camera, simply tap on it and as you can see here we've got three options to choose from. We can choose 1:1, full or 16:9 resolution. Let me pick for example this one. You can choose it simply by tapping on it and as you can see here we can also change the resolution, simply tap on it and as you can see we've got also three additional options. So let me pick for example this one and as you can see it immediately changes and it means that from now on you will record the videos in chosen quality. The same situation will be with the front video size, simply tap on it and we can choose from the options, we can change the resolution. Let's tap on the one you want to use. So that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S7. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.